Okay. So now like sabi no foundation oil, now like sabi no ngo. Oh guys, like I wanted to speak Lingala like it's so So I tried this spaghetti. So I just want to show you guys how in love I'm with this foundation. Okay, so the day I tried this was quite hot. It was super hot. Me and my friends went to the beach, and I'm telling you, my face, okay, I get my face is not like an oily face, but when the sun is shining obviously, but then I get oily over here and here, like I sweat a lot here and here and here and here. So I tried this today on the day I went to my beach on my beach. I tried this the day I went out on the beach with my friends. So I love this foundation. It was so like, you know, this like tacky foundation, when you put it on, you know, you feel like you have foundation and you can feel like the foundation is there, and when your face will be sweating and the foundation will be dripping with your face. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is a Holy Grail. It's Fit Me by Maybelline. So I got the color 355. This one was very good. It's very good for my skin. So it's not like too dark, it's not too light, just the perfect combination. So 355 is the color. It says matte plus poreless, okay? Normal to oily skin. So if you have an oily skin, you can use it. If you have a normal skin, you can use this. I think I have an oily and normal skin combination. Okay, so I don't have an oily skin, like my face will be oily a whole day, because my face is normally always dry, but when the sun is shining and I have some foundation on, it you know, the oiliness will come out. I didn't even know how to explain. I don't think I know enough about foundation to even explain it. Okay, so Bandeko. Okay, so now like sabi no foundation oil, now like sabi no ngo. Oh guys, like I wanted to speak Lingala like it's so now like sabi no foundation oil, bosomba oil, ebi oil is a bien, Bandeko oil is a bien. It's a comme nango fetline et for Maybelline. Soki yo ozuna mbongo, it's just 99.99. So ozuna mbongo is a no it's presque 100. It's just a 100, guys. So get yourself a foundation. Okay, basically what I just said is how it's for my Congolese ladies. If you guys watch my channel, hi, bonjour, bonjour. So foundation like you talk my cast, like it's very nice because of that, of course. So I'm just gonna try it on. Like I said, I've already tried it on, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it is. So eza kitoko makasi, like soki ochango, I sound so weird when I'm speaking my language, mais soki ochango okoyoka pena bakilenge kitoko. Like bakilenge kitoko. No, soki yo ochango ekozala penza okondima te foundation oyo uti wapi po oyeba teke zaya moins cher, because zaya moins cher makasi, oyeba teke zaya moins cher. Like it's affordable, and you don't have to break the bank to get you this foundation. You really don't have to break the bank, because people will be like, Blondelle, you don't work, how do you get money? Yeah, I save and I buy me cheap stuff. Okay, this is not exactly cheap, but it's affordable. It's a drugstore foundation. It's really affordable. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I tried this in summer, very good, and we are getting summer. We're gonna be hot girl summer out here. We're gonna be hot girl summer, and you don't want to be putting on too much foundation, and then you look like, you know. Voilà. Now, j'ai vu ça déjà petit. somba oyo pona otuna ngai te oziongo wapi naziongo na shop nasimaki yango na shop oziongo nasombaki yango na shop 100 rand 100 rand, so 100 rand, I'm telling you, 100 rand. This foundation was just 100 rand, so you can't be stingy with your own money, or like Nigerian people say, you can't be stingy with your own money, or it's yours, or yeah. So you need to apply a little bit of on here so that you can blend your skin nicely. Okay, so the foundation is definitely boldable. Like I said, I don't like really having a lot of foundation. This foundation is really good because you apply little and you can go out in the sun. Don't feel like you have a lot of foundation. Don't feel like when your face is dripping, all your foundation is coming out and dripping on your clothes and all of that. So that's very good for it. So, and if you want to bold, you can definitely bold on with this. And yeah, so I'm gonna put on concealer. Okay, the concealer, always a concealer. Nachango kakamuke, okay? I only apply a little bit of concealer because I don't want my face to be looking all extra, you know? Congolese ladies, they'll be like, "Huh, why are you going with all that makeup?" And I'll look in the mirror, I'm like, makeup where? I'm telling you, this is after you done your eyebrows and then you put a little bit of foundation. Congolese ladies will be like, and I'll be like, I just put a little, it was just a little. But that little goes a long way, okay? So Congolese mother will be like, my daughter can't be walking around with too much foundation. Where are you going? Okay. So this is just to highlight my darkness. Okay, so I'll tell you the story about this guy. I was walking around the station and then this guy was like, "Hey lady, you my color." Okay, he was a Nigerian guy. So as I was walking and I'm like, "Me? How you mean me your color?" He's like, "Yeah, we have the same skin, me and you are the same." I'm like, "Yes, we do have the same skin, but my brother, I'm chocolate. You are what they call black. Me and you are the same skin." And then the Nigerian guy was like, "Hi, how can you say that? We are the same color." So I said, "Yes, we are the same color, but I'm chocolate. You are black." And like, people might think I sound good because I'm black. I know I'm black, okay? I know I'm black. But I'm just saying he was darker than me, okay? That's what I mean. He was darker than me. And then he's like, "Me and him are the same color." I'm like, "No, you are what they call charcoal." This for contouring, okay. Add this for contouring. Oil. This, I wanted to make a video for my Lingala friends, okay? I speak Lingala and Congolese. So the oil is a concealer. This is also concealer, but same color. Not same color. It's different color. This is a bit darker, and that one, as you saw, that one's a bit lighter, and this one's a bit darker. So this dark one, as you highlight your under eye, and then you use this dark one to contour with it. So I just put here, and I put here a bit. So I normally watch a lot of YouTubers like James Charles. You know James Charles? Yeah, he's like my favorite YouTuber guru. And I watch like Patricia Bright. So those are the YouTubers that I watch. And then I started also doing this. So it just kind of like, okay, I already have like, I have what you call cheekbones. So these black, this putting you contouring with the dark here on the side, it just highlights your cheekbones. Okay, so it just makes you skinnier, seems skinnier. Okay, your face skinnier. My face is very round, so this one is very good for me. So it gives me an illusion as if I have a snatch face. Okay, my battery is dying. Okay, so oyo noir oyo eza pona kocha mabundi mona minene te ebi ngai na sa mabundi minene na ebi koloba ngo o mona mabundi wi na ebi kana mabundi minene mabundi ngai eza ka minene siko o soki na chango awa nisa ne kitoko comme ça ngomo mukie apete bo mona nga boloba donc tu maquillage kitoko boy wi pona ebi ke na che oyo ebongo lumina nga mandambu. I'm gonna take this blush. This is Go Glow. So I'm gonna take this blush and use the pink one, just to put a little bit. I don't really like a lot of blush, but I like to use the pink one just to put a little bit. Okay, oh, is a blush, but chang ka so pose lumines more pink one down with them. For sake of mandambu, you must smile it with so your chicken come out, and then you have that, okay? Like I say, I am no expert though. I'm not an expert, but I sound so calm speaking English, and then I'm like okay, trust me, Lingala is like that. But when Suki Nazuluba Lingala, if I'm speaking Lingala like this, Suki Nazuluba Lingala, that's like a boy. You see, a mother color, is a lang moki toko, man. Oh my god, lang moki toko. It's like, it's a beautiful language, you know? That's what I'm saying. Basically, what I'm saying in my language, I'm saying that our language is beautiful. But I'm just applying the blush. Okay, I think that's a bit too much, but you guys can see it, right? You guys can see it. We don't want to apply too much. Okay, then we're gonna use this one. I normally just use this one, then I put a little bit of this. I'm using the Glam from Go. Then I apply the one outside like Glam, one from Go. You can get those stuff at Clicks, right? So I'm just applying that for the glow. This I got makeup Kolony. It's called Kiki. It's a setting spray. This one is good for setting your spray, your makeup. So let it sit in place so that you don't, so that when you move your face and you move anything, so that your makeup don't move out of place. That's what it is all about. Okay, so your makeup don't move out of place. So one is that oye setaka luminayo, puis luminayo is la ba maquillage ne longwate. Ce qui obimi je ne pas maquillage maquillage ne ko sala kaka on. Mais oui. I just use the brown so that the lipstick I'm gonna use is not too matte. And then this is just coconut oil that I normally use, the coconut oil that I use to just apply to my lips so my lips don't break out, because the lipstick that I'm going to apply tends to be a bit too dry, too matte. Okay, then I apply that and it's not as matte. Okay, so now, okay, I'm using this. Okay, someone gifted to me. They were from America. So So someone gave this to me. It was from America, so I got this. It's a bit too dark, matte. So it smells so good though. It smells like cocoa butter. So after I'm done with all my makeup, I like to go use the Glam palette and use this brown shade, and I'll just go on with it so that I can just scoop my face so that my face is not like all different colors, so it's like all one color. Okay, let me do that. That's it. Nasisi lungi nangai kaka. Is that fácil? Muy fácil? Okay, so I'm speaking a little bit of French and a little bit Lingala. That's my language. Yeah. So I want to take this scarf, apply my scarf, and